is unpleasant. We do not want to lose time, things, energy, money, or memory. And what is more difficult than losing one's child? Through illness, kidnapping, murder, misfortune. And yet it happens. Why does God allow such cruelty? We do not know. Theological explanations of the origins of evil in the world hardly console parents who have lost a child. We can only remain silent and trust that He who came into the world to lose everything for us knows why this is so.